I think there's merit in a collaboration. Whether there's merit in a merger is a very different question. I agree with the analysts that are generally saying they're skeptical and it'll derail and it'll distract. But there may be merits in a collaboration. I think GSK and Sanofi have already shown that you can collaborate as big firms. AstraZeneca is collaborating with Oxford University. There's lots of collaboration going on in this industry. It seems to be the way forward that most pharma are taking, bolt-on acquisitions and collaboration, rather than setting up these mega mergers. So maybe there will be a collaboration. Gilead has absolute strength in antiviral therapies, which is one of the mechanisms that can sort out COVID-19. So you can use complementary strengths extremely well through collaboration. So I would say that would be a great idea. The merger one, though, is a very difficult one to argue.
John, if the two companies did happen to combine, the market capitalization would be about $232 billion and bigger than some of the rivals, the likes of Merck and Pfizer. What happens when these pharma groups combine? Do you think they can get too big, unable to innovate?
I think there is a risk of diseconomies of scale, if you like, which is, the R&D is the biggest problem. I think in commercialization, you can benefit from scale, but in R&D, it's questionable. When you get these very, very large R&D organizations, you have lots of governance, lots of committees, lots of protocols, and it gets more complex and more confused. And with R&D, you need a lot of collaboration. You need to keep your talent, which always gets distracted by mergers and acquisitions. So I think there is a problem with scaling up too big for these companies. That said, some companies do manage it. J&J is the exception that proves the rule. They have managed to get bigger and bigger and continue growing, largely because of a very clever federated business model that they employ. So it is possible, but whether Astra and Gilead could do it is a very different question.